Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here with the pretty pink box. This is a brand new period subscription plans. There are like 6 plans, and I was like, I'm not going to go through each of these in the unboxing. If you're curious about the different ones, you can either check out their site or my full review. I actually don't know which box I have, so plans start though as low as $24.99, and that will include like your essentials and things like that, which I think they said there was like 30 items in that box. I was like, what? That's crazy. So anyway, it's a big box. And their packing tape actually has their logo on it. I think that's cool. All right. So we open it up, and right away you're gonna see like some cards, and there's a kid. There's a random Kit Kat over there. You see that guy? All right. So we've got Welcome Spring 2018. Hello, pretty lady. Isn't it amazing when you love yourself more? Things that are heavy can become lighter. Let's take a look inside to see how you can turn your pain to pretty. I'm wondering, pick your pretty pink purchase. Choose between 2. Oh, so this tells you what's in each box, so we can easily figure out which box this is, which is nice. So there it is. It just tells you all about it. Thank you for your purchase of your very own pretty pink box. Inside you will find feminine products of your choice, tasty treats you crave, a special gift, and pampering items to make your time of the month more pretty. Oh, so here's some tips. It's chocolate. Chocolate contains magnesium, which can help alleviate cramps and increase energy. It also contains endorphins, or happy hormones, which can help you improve your mood. Enjoy some tasty chocolate. So there's that. And there's a Kit Kat for that. All right, so ooh, it's a shower comb. I love these. All right, so here is the inside of the box. Our first item is a shower comb. This is, okay, so it's from Spa Savvy. I love these because for my hair, it's like ratty. Is that a nice thing to say about your hair? It's true though, and I like these. So I have one that I keep on my vanity, but I will keep that I will actually keep that in the shower because it has the little hook. All right, then we have a styling tool case. Oh, this is actually really cool. This is from Modella. I love the pattern. It's really nice. You can put your, I will put my straight iron. I don't use anything else. I don't use like a curling iron or anything. I don't need so. So there is that. Oh, are these a shower cap? We went to, for Easter. My brother has something every year called the Easter Olympics. And we played this, so the kids all take part in these epic games that take forever. The kids have so much fun, but it's just like, I was so tired. So they actually had these shower caps, like a pack of disposable ones. And there was a game they played where they put shaving cream on their hat, and then they threw Cheetos and whatnot to stick. It was a game. The kids thought it was hilarious. But I was like, I've never seen that. So she just gave them to me. They're actually back on the dresser over there. I was like, I need those for hair masks. But this is actually for when you get in the shower and you don't want your hair to get wet, which is great for me because I wash my hair. I don't need to wash my hair a lot. It's super dry. There's not a lot of oil in my hair. All right. I don't know which box this is. I'm going to have to figure it out. I'm going to put down below which box this is because I'm not sure. There is just like so much stuff in here. And I have a feeling I might not be able to tell from what I'm looking at. Oh, look at these. What kind of tampons are these? I don't know, but there's a whole bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A mix of super and regular. I've never seen tampons that look like this. That's cool. All right. Some little pedicure things. How cute are those? Oreo cookies. Trolley gummy crawlers. Some candies, Trolley Sour Bright Eggs. Ooh, look at this. This is Thin Addictives from Noni. So it's like a mini, not like a biscotti, but sort of like a biscotti. Looks like there's like cranberries or raisins and nuts in there. Then we got some Milano Cookies. Oh, buddy. Wow, they really have a lot of stuff. Lorna Doone Shortbread Cookies. Oh my gosh. Chewy Dips. Chocolate chip. The saddest thing is I'm going to have to share all of this with my children. All right, my favorite, Snyder's Pretzels, Hanover, Pennsylvania. So we have some Sani Packs. These are to dispose of your personal hygiene products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these in here. No, 4, just 4 of these babies. That's the first I've ever gotten these in a period subscription. Then we've got nail polish remover pads from PDI. This is a cool product to get. Like if you just want to quickly get your nail polish off. Ooh, a Jif to go creamy peanut butter pack. There is so much. Oh, there's 2 more nail polish removers. There's so much in here. Oh my goodness. A L'Oreal nail polish. This is like a creamy corally color. Like a shimmery. Is that pretty or what? Gel color. It's L'Oreal Extraordinaire. Does it not have a name? It just has a number. L101. No. Diamond in the Buff. Because it's nude. You get it? You got it. You dig. Alright, then we've got soothing eye pads from Spa Life. These are so cute. I love these. Oh, look. They have different ones. They have ones with strawberries, oranges. I like that. A green tea face mask from Malie System. Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. A Beyond Body Heat. One of those cramp things. I use these on my back or my shoulders. Like if I get like pain in my back and hips if I babysit and like lifting children. My kids are not like, they're too old to be like carried around, but other people's kids, I just use these babies. I'm getting old, you know when you're getting old. Another Malie System. This is a Cucumber Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. All these sheet masks. I love it. Then there's this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're just going to... Oh, okay, so I see what's going on here. We've got our, like, items. Like, 2 packs of Advil. I love when they include Advil instead of Midol because it's just multi-use. Bigelow Cozy Chamomile Herbal Tea. There's 2 packets of that. There's the Bigelow Orange and Spice Herbal Tea. 1 packet of that. And then there's the Mint Medley, which I personally love. Then we've got these cool... I like these. I actually use these. I got these in another box. These are really nice. They're called Good Wipes. They're lavender wipes. Nice to keep just when you're out and about. Panty liners. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pads in there. And they're different absorbencies. I'm going to have to check their website to see if you can pick like the brands and all that stuff. I'll leave that down. I'll actually put that in my review if you're interested in seeing that. I'll link to that. I'll also link to Pretty Pink Box. Now let's check and see what box this is. So the essential box, the perfect Pretty Pink Box is $34.99 a month. That includes 25 essential items, which is, I'm guessing, like our pads. There's 9, our panty liners, the tea, the Advil, the tampons. 3 to 5 craving items, which would be the snacks that we got. 3 to 5 pampering items, a special gift, a period tip. I think that's what we received. I'm going to have to figure it out and find out for you guys. So there's that box. There's one that's $44.99, which is the ultimate Pretty Pink Box that has 25 essential items, 5 to 7 cravings, 5 to 7 pampering items, a special gift, and the period tip. And they do have gluten-free and vegan options for you ladies out there that need that. Then there's the essentials. It has 17 pads and tampons. It's just the essentials. That's $7. It looks like, oh wow, that's really inexpensive. And then there's the cravings. Okay. Oh no, so that's, okay, no, the essentials has 17 pads or tampons, a bunch of different the craving items, and then a couple of the pampering items, 1 to 2 of the masks, the iPads, the nail polish, the shower. Oh wait, that might have been the box. This might be the $24.99 box. I'm gonna have to find out. I'm totally gonna confuse you guys. I'm sorry. So there's that. I did not answer any questions there. I'm so sorry. I'm the worst. So anyway, this is a cool box. There's just tons. Like, I feel like I just have like a pile of items. Look at all this. Just piles of oodles and oodles of items. It's a fun subscription. So if you're interested, I'm going to link to them below. I'll also link to my full review. I cannot wait to get into all this stuff. So much fun. As always, happy Saturday. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this box down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.